Good and blessed day, everyone out there. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunities today, but before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's start. Okay, so our first company we're going to talk about today is a company called Castor. Now, they are a medical and research company. They specialize in clinical trials. So, you need research and development in order to come up with new drugs or new vaccines or new medical treatments for different diseases. And that's what they specialize in. So, it says finally, a modern clinical trials platform that is both powerful and easy to use. Create seamless patient experiences, having an easy time doing it. So, right, like I said, they basically decentralized clinical trial solutions. They help in EDC, ePro, eConsent, and DCT. So Castor is basically a medical company that helps, like I said, research in clinical trials. So you can take a look at their website and see further what they are talking about, and what they research in as far as medicines. So they are actually looking for a technical support specialist here in the U.S. This is a customer service and support role. It is remote as well. So let's take a look at this role. So it says, at Castor, we drive faster, smarter medical research. We believe that faster, more diverse clinical trials help extend the human health span and provide a greater return on investment. We strive to improve the clinical trial expertise or experience for patients, sites, and sponsors using technology to accelerate every step of the clinical trial journey. Our modular clinical trial platform enables the capture and reuse of research data from everywhere, anytime, and helps optimize each activity in the clinical trial journey by reducing human effort with technology. From recruitment to monitoring, we help make it easier to design and deploy trials, enroll and engage patients, collect data, and analyze results. Next to being very purpose driven, we are proud of our caring company culture. We follow our values diligently and take the well being of each Castorian seriously. Sounds like something for you? Read on. All right. So, what you as a technical support specialist will be focusing on is a professional service team advises and supports thousands of Castor users from all over the world, ensuring that they get the best out of our products. As our next technical support specialist, you will support, advise, and troubleshoot issues for Castor's clinical research customers, supporting them in adopting, utilizing, and maximizing value from our electronic data capture platform. So, what you specifically will be doing is you'll be responding to customer technical inquiries scaled internally via email and conferencing in a timely and effective manner to maintain our excellent customer net promoter score. You're also owning technical customer issues with from initial report to resolution, streamlining the customer journey, serving as a trusted customer advisor, escalating any issues to the appropriate Casper team members, contributing to and improving our documentation, generating ideas for new content to help our customers and internal Caster teams, actively listening to customers, understanding their needs, and turning this into actionable insights and accountability for improvement. Becoming a skilled product specialist to support the more complex clinical study related inquiries. Okay, so that's an overview of what you'll be doing in this role. So, what you bring to the table: a relevant technical support experience in the fast paced SaaS organization, knowledge of or experience in clinical research, medical informatics, deep affinity towards tech with the ability to dive deep into troubleshoot and resolve technical issues, SQL knowledge and experience with AI API platform, Eastern or Central US resident, strong interpersonal and communication skills, including writing, verbal, and nonverbal communication, demonstrating patience, flexibility, consideration, diplomacy, tact, and confidence. The ability to develop and lead customer focused projects. an analytical, driven, oriented mindset with a knack for problem solving and resolutions, a helpful and empathetic ear, ensuring the best support experience for our customers, the motivation to support a growing health tech scale up, and interest in the medical research world. Okay, so awesome. It would be a good fit for you if you had hands on coding, scripting experience working in a remote first company, and relative understanding of clinical guidelines, ICH GCP Good Clinic Practice FDA 21, CFR Part 11, and relevant GXP regulations and guidance. So, all right. So, how Castor take care of you? So, here's some to look at the benefits that they have. At Castor, we truly live and breathe one of our core values, believing we can achieve anything with a healthy and happy team. Our benefits reflect this. So, you get guaranteed happy holidays bonus, employee stock option plan, learning and budgeting and development budgeting, as well as a competitive pay, unlimited annual leave, which is wow, which is really good, a 401k savings plan with competitive employee contribution, a fully remote role. Remember that this is fully remote role with financial support for setting up your own office. So they're going to give you support to set up your office in this remote role. A flexible working schedule, so nobody is tracking your time except you. We focus on output and delivery, a great work life balance, a MacBook or Dell laptop, and all other needed gear to work comfortably from home. Quarterly downtime weekends, well being workshops, sleeping course. Wait a minute, virtual company events and celebrations. Wow, this is a truly awesome opportunity. So it says, we are a remote first company. At Castor, we value flexibility and believe that the best talents can work anywhere in the world. From flexibility improvements to productivity growth, we want to make sure you are happy, healthy, and productive while working from home. We don't have an updated CB just yet. Feel free to apply to with our with your LinkedIn profile. Okay, cool. So you can take out looks at the other, they're equal opportunity employer, all the other good legal benefits with this role. So Castor is a medical research and technology company specializing in clinical trials. They have an opening for a technical support specialist here in the U.S. It's a fully remote, and it seems like they are emphasizing that this is a remote position. So if you had experience in technical research, working with customers, customer care, working with client profiles, this and also have some IT experience, like I think they mentioned the SQL or SQL experience as well. This could be the perfect remote position for you. So they are opening a technical support specialist here in the US by Castor. I will leave the link to this position in the description below and be sure to apply today. Okay, guys, so our next company we're going to talk about is called Smartsheet. Now, they are an IT solutions and application company. They work with other companies to improve their IT processes. So, the enterprise work management platform, the foundation for managing projects, programs, and processes that scale. You take a look at some of the companies that they are partnered with, so like Lego, Procter and Gamble, even the Jet Propulsion Laboratory from NASA, Uber, Pfizer, Alaskan Airlines. So a host of different companies. So they work better at scale. They would capture and track your plans, resources and schedules. Smartsheet offers a rich set of views, workflows, reports, and dashboards to adapt your needs, from projects to multifaceted company-wide initiatives. So it looks like they provide software and solutions for like large scale projects, so they can streamline and can implement their project to their company. That's very interesting, very smart too. Trusted by experts, they receive an ample amount of expertise and awards for their company for their IT solutions and projects. So, Smartsheet, they have an opening for a client platform administrator, remote eligible. This is first off a remote position. So let's take a look at what they're offering. So, Smartsheet is a tech company with a human story to tell. We're here to empower teams to manage projects, automate workflows, and rapidly build new secure solutions using simple no-code tools. We're revolutionaries, so for us, changing the world marks works as work is all the day's work. Okay, so Smartsheet is looking for an experienced client platform administrator with a solid technical background to join our client engineering team. And you can take a look at how they started as far as their company's Smartsheet. So let's actually take a look at the position. So this position reports to the manager of the client engineering and may work remotely. So let's take a look at what you will be doing in this role. So you will participate in architecture, design, deployment, and planning of Mac and Windows-based client systems for Smartsheet. Utilize an engineering mindset to develop creative solutions for our end user system. Provide administration, maintenance, and support of various on-prem and SaaS platforms to administer the management and manage client devices via Intune, JAMF, and MECM and CSSM. We will also automate manual processes and other items to create efficiencies. Drive to create positive and seamless user experiences. Partner with the compliance security team to address patch and prevalent vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities. Also conduct in-depth technical investigations to determine root cause. Evaluate and monitor usage to ensure capability or capacity in meeting growth requirements. You also provide escalated system support for Tier 1 and Tier 2 escalations, problem resolution, and mentoring across the corporate IT platform. Perform other duties as assigned. Okay, so what you would bring to the table or what you would have is 3+ years of work experience in corporate Linux, Mac, and Windows environment working as a client systems administrator or desktop engineer. Experience implementing and administrating Microsoft MDM solutions. Familiarity with Windows Autopilot. Experience implementing and administrating Mac MDM solutions. Experience implementing or administrating Microsoft Azure virtual desktops. Experience managing Linux workstations. Experience scripting solutions and can provide examples. Experience scripting solutions and can provide examples. Ability to work autonomously, plan, organization, schedule, and implement multi projects simultaneously. Must possess the ability to work an occasional, even holiday or weekend. Foundational knowledge of ITIL concepts and frameworks required. Ability to drive projects to completion. Excellent customer service skills and passion to learn and understand technology. Empathy for end users, experience with OKTA or other SSO products, experience with SOX, SOCT, or other compliance, HIPAA or PCI. Okay. Now let's take a look at their perks and benefits. So they have a health savings account, 100% employer paid premiums or buy of medical, vision, and dental coverage options for full-time employees. Stock restricted stock units or RSUs for eligible roles. Lucrative employee stock purchase program, 15% discount. 401k match to help you save for your future for 50% your contribution up to the first 6% of your eligible pay. Monthly stipend to support your work and productivity. Flexible time away program plus accidental sick leave. U.S. employees are automatically covered under Smartsheet sponsored life insurance, short term and long term disability plans. U.S. employees receive 12 paid holidays per year, up to 24 weeks of parental leave, personal paid volunteer day to support our community, opportunities for professional growth and development, including access to Udemy online courses. That's awesome. Company funded perks, including a counseling membership, local retail discounts, and your own personal Smartsheet account. Teleworking options from any registered location in the U.S. role specific. Awesome. So, Smartsheet provides a competitive range of compensation for roles that may be hired in different geographic areas, are licensed to operate our business form. Actual compensation is determined by several factors, including but not limited to level of professional, educational experience, skills, and specific candidate location. In addition, this role will be eligible for market competitive bonuses. So, California and New York pay is 75,600 to 110,700. All other states is 70,000 to 102,500. Okay. Very extensive perks and benefits plan plus and extensive pay. Almost you can get into the six figures uh, with this role. So, and of course, it is an equal opportunity advisor, employer. So, this is definitely a awesome. Looks like a very awesome role to get into. Definitely heavy IT, computer science, maybe working with different technical systems, programming. This is a very awesome. Looks like a very interesting role for this company for Smartsheet, technology company helping other systems manage their projects. So they are looking for a client platform administrator, remote eligible here in the US. I will leave a link to this position in the description below, and please apply today. Okay, so our last company today we're going to talk about is called Synergy. Now they are IT and tech solutions companies, but they specialize in government contracts or they work closely with the US government and helping streamline their processes and procedures. So let's take a look at Synergy. Your modernization journey starts here. We bring thought leadership and technical awareness to take customers through the entire journey from conceptualization to development. And it says Synergy delivers enterprise contract writing for today's most critical defense agency missions. So, like I said, they work with the U.S. government. As far as let's take a look at which departments. So, like the U.S. Coast Guard, U.S. Air Force, so a lot of Department of Defense. They even work with U.S. Labor, Department of Labor, Navy, Department of Transportation, USDA, just a whole host of government sections. So synergy, helping and it is really good because I mean I think the government does need streamlining, and that's what they do. They provide streamlining, Appian solutions, Salesforce solutions, emerging technology, and cloud solutions for the U.S. government. So let's take a look at the position that they have available. So they are looking for a remote cloud administrator position. And this is be in the information technology division. So Synergy Business Innovation and Solutions is a premier implementer of cutting edge software solutions. Brings the experience and expertise necessary to deliver capability that provides tangible ROI to our customers. Synergy's core areas of expertise are in the fields of digital transformation, cloud solutions, SaaS, and low code, no code solution, emerging technologies, data analytics, and visualization, information assurance, and business process re engineering. Synergy offers its employees a generous portfolio of core and voluntary benefits, including group medical, dental, and vision insurance, HSA, FSA, 401k with immediate vested company match. PTO and sick leave, 11 paid federal holidays, company paid life, short term and long term disability insurance, tuition and training reimbursement, fitness, wellness reimbursement, a referral bonus program, and life management programs. At Synergy, you'll be challenged and given the opportunity to grow in your career path. In fact, growth is such a big deal to us that you will have dedicated career coaches available for every employee. Company funded certification and opportunities, education reimbursement, and general open door policy so that you have support when you need it. Our team is eager to learn, fast paced, and quality driven. If that sounds like you, Synergy has a position for you. Okay, so they have a vast benefits package as well. So take a look at that. This position is designated as work from home. Again, remote work from home position. So let's take a look at what they will be doing. So you will oversee the SQL database platform and possession of extensive experience and knowledge in significant experience automating infrastructure setup and application development using best practices of SISD with tools like Terraform, Azure DevOps. Also, you have significant experience with cloud databases, services, and proficient in scripting languages such as PowerShell, shell scripting, or Python. Experience Extensive experience in high availability replication backup and restore, recovery and monitoring databases in Azure cloud. Extensive experience in cloud technologies, cloud services, infrastructure as code, code storage, cloud storage, cloud networking, and cloud security. Implement and enforce security best practices for Azure databases. 5+ years of experience in migrating on-prem database to Azure cloud. Extensive experience with cloud VNets, network security groups, ACLs, load balancers, firewalls, private endpoints. Resource management and service level agreements. Maintain competitive or comprehensive documentation of database configurations, procedures, and best practices, strong communication and teamwork abilities, and 24/7 operations. Okay. So definitely high in experience in information technology, more on the soul of programming and databases as well. So skills, qualifications, and certifications of best candidates. So you will be proficient in Azure DevOps, pipeline configuration, VM setup, and firewall management, hands-on experience or expertise in Terraform, hands-on expertise in Azure networking, SQL database, VM configuration, hands-on experience in scripting and PowerShell, Bash, or Python, Azure CLI. Also, you have experience in advanced proficiency in analytical, project planning, negotiating, interpersonal and communication skills, written and oral, advanced knowledge of cloud engineering concepts, extensive experience in cloud technologies, cloud services, infrastructure as code, cloud storage, cloud networking, and cloud security, load balancer, traffic manager, firewalls, peering, private endpoints, etc. Extensive experience in high availability, replication, backup and restore recovery, dasher recovery, and monitoring of databases in hybrid cloud. Expert knowledge of cloud-based tech security tools, best practices, and policies, including demonstrated experience protecting all layers of application stack. Extensive experience in cloud database services, Microsoft Azure certification, so Microsoft Certified Azure Database Administration Associate are a plus. So that's the very, like I said, very extensive range of IT programming and IT knowledge. So this you have to be a citizen of work authorized here in the U.S. For education is 7 years, basically of the same thing we just read. Now the reasonable estimate of your current pay, which is very important, is so this is automatically going to be a six-figure income. So 105,000 to 155,000 a year. All right. So essential job function, physical requirements. So this is going to be a work at home position. So you can read that as far as you're concerned, a homework setup. And core synergy is an equal opportunity employer. And take a look at their statement below. So this is a wow. This is a very. I mean, I think if you had probably over 10 years experience in setting up databases in computer science, IT, working with various programs, programming, SQL, Azure. I mean, just some of the network security systems that are available out there in the cloud technologies. This would be the awesome position for you. And I'm just thinking that it will probably be long lasting because this is they work off of government contract, especially in the Department of Defense. So you look at a very stable or very long lasting career, full time job. So Synergy, the government contractor, is looking for a cloud administrator, information technology department, remote U.S. full time. I will leave a link to this position in the description below. And if you feel like you are this, piques your interest and you have the experience for this, please do apply today. This can be a game changing experience and career for you and your goals. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review of remote job opportunities. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and please check these opportunities to see if they are a good fit for you and for your professional goals. Thanks again. Have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.